On August 25th, the North Valley Military Institute, NVMI, was forced to close as it faced allegations that it engaged in fraud and allowed a teacher to return to campus despite being named in a lawsuit alleging abhorrent child sex abuse. These operational deficiencies had not stopped LAUSD School Board Member Scott Schmerelson from publicly supporting NVMI earlier in the year.
And I did visit North Valley Military Institute. I was there, and I saw with my own eyes what a program they have and how it meets the needs of lots and lots of students.
He even offered to help move the charter school into Board District 3.
How do we try, I'll take Board District 3 I'll volunteer my Board District 3. How do we find a place in Board District 3 that would be able to accommodate, is there such a place that could accommodate that huge number of students at North Valley Military Institute?
Additional information can be found in the article, "The Parasite Tries to Replace the Host."